Good morning, Reid. How are you doing today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Good. I'm good, thank you. So I've just come back again to listen to your chest. It'll involve listening to it using the stethoscope, listening all over the front and all over the back. Is that all right with you?
Of course, yeah.
Okay. I warn you now. This might be a little bit cold. So just take some nice deep breaths for me. Perfect. Good. Can I just listen under your arm? And just under this arm. Good. If you just lean forward for me. Sit back there. Okay, that all sounds normal, all sounds clear. You've got normal, nice, quiet breath sounds, which is what we'd expect. So thank you very much, and I'll come back this afternoon to recheck